Hello everyone, Lekhana here and welcome back to day 29 of Inktober. Today I'm illustrating everyone's favorite Indian snack, Samosa. For reference I used recipe by Kabita's kitchen and I've added the link for her video in the description box below. The recipe is quite easy to follow, so do check out her video. What's your favorite snack? Let me know in the comments. Also, if this is the first of my Inktober video you have come across, then I do have 28 other videos for you. And I've added the link at the end of this video and also in the description box. So I will let you enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to comment, like and subscribe, it would mean a lot. Thank you for watching and I'll see you tomorrow.
I've been praying through the evening. I've been praying through the night, asking every higher power for a meaning, for a sign, to let the hour come. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. I've been breaking through the morning. I've been breaking through the day, but I've been picking up the pieces so we can remake us again. Take what you need. Take what you need from me. Go when you go. Take what you need to feel at home. Lost without you, 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 lost without you. Now I'm sitting on the ceiling. I'm gazing at the stars in the battle with my feelings, but I'll let you free at last. Take what you need. Take what you need to heal. Go when you go. Take what you need to heal.